In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text wrap in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever struggled with getting text to fit neatly within your video frame, this guide will show you a simple yet effective solution. So let's dive right in. First, we need to open DaVinci Resolve, your go-to video editing software packed with robust features yet intuitive enough for both beginners and pros. Once you've launched the application, direct your gaze towards the top of the screen. Here, you'll find the effects library, a treasure trove of options that can elevate your project with just a few clicks. With the effects library open, let's look for Text Plus within the title section. What's great about the Text Plus tool is its advanced features, which offer much more flexibility than the standard text options. By opting for Text Plus, you can access unique functionalities that afford more creative control. Now that you've chosen Text Plus, it's time to type into the text box. Go ahead and start typing your text. Don't hold back. If your text spills past the video preview boundaries, don't worry. This is where the magic of text wrapping will come into play, transforming your text into a tidy, visually appealing component of your video. Next, turn your attention to the inspector panel on the right side of your screen. Within the inspector, locate the layout section of the text options. The layout section is your control center for modifying various aspects of your text, including size, position, and of course, text wrap. Once you're there, click on the Type drop-down list. This drop-down reveals several text arrangement options, and you'll want to select Text Box. The text box option is crucial because it sets the foundation for wrapping your text neatly within a defined area, which resolves any overflow that may occur. As soon as you've selected Text Box, notice a new option that appears, Wrap to Text Box. Checking this option is the final step and the secret ingredient to ensuring your text fits precisely within the box, no matter how lengthy. Once you've activated Wrap to Text Box, your text will automatically adjust to wrap within the specified boundaries, creating a clean and organized appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully mastered the skill of using text wrap in DaVinci Resolve. By following these steps, you can now seamlessly incorporate text into your projects without worrying about overlap or running off screen. This simple yet powerful technique lends a professional touch to any video, enhancing both its aesthetic and communicative efficiency. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different text lengths and box sizes to find what best suits your creative vision. Enjoy editing and see you in the next video.